Guys, I am your Quick Tech Buddy, and in this video I'll tell you that how to convert any Word file into PDF file. So let's start our video after this short. So here I have taken a demo file. I'll convert this demo file into a PDF file. So for converting it, we have to open it. Then we have to go to this file option. Then save as. And then we have to browse our location. So here I am selecting desktop as my location. Once you have browsed your location, you have to rename it. If you don't want to rename it, let it be. But I am here renaming it as demo coding. So now select this save as type and change Word document to PDF. Then click this save button. Then the PDF will automatically open, and here you can see that it is in PDF format. So I hope you learned something new today, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get every update from my channel. Thanks for watching.